Weighing between 500 and 900 pounds, they can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and react instantly to the slightest sign of danger. For a lion pride, approaching a zebra herd is a true test of coordination. Female lions, the primary hunters, typically strike at dawn or dusk using low light and tall grasses to their advantage. They move in sync, surrounding the herd from multiple angles. The zebra's sprint often begins the moment one senses trouble, signaled by a startled call or a sudden jolt. More often than not, the lions walk away empty-handed. Only 1 in 5 zebra hunts ends in success, a testament to the zebra's incredible survival skills. At times, a swift kick aimed with precision can force even the boldest lion to retreat. This rivalry showcases more than brute force. It's a game of timing, instinct, and pure agility. On the African plains, survival isn't just about strength. It's about how well each species plays its part in nature's great performance. The African warthog, Thacochorus africanus, with its stocky body and upward curved tusks may not appear as impressive as some other prey species. But when pushed into a corner, it can be surprisingly formidable. An adult can weigh between 110 and 250 pounds and reach running speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, more than enough to match larger animals. Lions often consider warthogs easier to approach, especially when they step out from their burrows or emerge from dense brush. But the outcome isn't always certain. When startled, warthogs can react quickly, swinging their tusks backward to keep pursuers at bay, sometimes interrupting the entire hunt with a well-angled move to the chest or side. What's more, warthogs often travel in pairs or small family groups. When a young one is in danger, the adults don't flee. They turn back facing the threat head-on. In rare but powerful scenes, lions have been known to abandon the chase and give space. In nature's grand design, even those seen as vulnerable can rise to the occasion. Towering over the savanna, giraffes, Giraffa camelopardalis, can reach heights of nearly 19 feet and weigh up to 2,600 pounds. With powerful legs and an elevated field of vision, they're not an easy target for lions. But when opportunity arises, especially with younger or isolated individuals, the pride may attempt a carefully timed approach. Giraffes rely heavily on early detection. From above the grasses, their keen eyesight allows them to spot danger from a distance. Shield. and a challenge. Shield and a challenge. Lions must work together with precision, timing their movements to surround and destabilize their much larger opponent. Yet one misstep, and the giraffe's strong legs can force them to reconsider. In rare cases, adult giraffes have stood their ground, using their height and strength to maintain control of the situation. This confrontation between lions and giraffes is a remarkable example of scale, strategy, and survival. The wildebeest, Connocates tyrannus, is one of the lion's most common prey species across the African grasslands. Weighing between 400 and 600 pounds and capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, wildebeests are far from easy to overcome. They often travel in herds of hundreds or even thousands, forming part of the legendary migrations across the Serengeti and Masai Mara. During the hunt, lions rely heavily on timing and terrain. They often wait near rivers, critical points where wildebeests must stop to drink or cross. A successful pursuit demands precise coordination. Yet wildebeests are not quick to surrender. Even when under pressure, many stand their ground, using their curved horns to push back. There have been moments when a wildebeest has turned suddenly, stunning its pursuer and gaining just enough time to break free. This contest is anything but one-sided. Both species rely on instinct, endurance, and determination. For lions, every wildebeest hunt becomes a battle of strategy where speed, teamwork, and timing must align. For the prey, survival isn't about brute strength alone. It's about resilience in the face of overwhelming odds on the open plains. In nature, there is no such thing as absolute victory, only a delicate balance between instinct and survival. The lion.